Today we will discuss about how to roll back the FixPack and how to uninstall the product in VAS 9 version and create the profiles without DMGR. We have to deploy the application. We have to see manually. I am login with my putty. VAS admin Wipro@123. Okay. I am wait 2 more minutes. I am go to the installation manager. Eclipse tools. Oh, sorry. Otherwise, I am going to WebSphere, IBM WebSphere App Server bin. I am checking version. Which version I am in my product? 90516 or not? We are checking. If 90516, I will roll back and uninstall the product and again install and like that. See, this is updated 90516. I am going to installation manager, Eclipse tools. I am roll back the FixPack /imcl rollback. Previous version of the ND and previous version of the JDK hyphen installation directory WebSphere IBM WebSphere App Server hyphen asset license hyphen show progress. This is the command to roll back the FixPack based on the requirement. We have to roll back FixPack based on the requirement. We install, update, modify like that. We have to see clearly in that I have installation manager, For rollback, all servers need to be stopped. This is installation manager. By using installation manager, we have uninstall, update, modify, rollback, uninstall and manage the license. Currently we are doing rollback of the previous version. In this we have to check version info.ai or history info.sh. In the history info.sh we are copy the offering ID of the old versions and write it on notepad offering IDs and go to the installation manager and run this command /imcl rollback offering ID of the previous version of the ND and for JDK for VAS 9 installation directory. This is the directory path and -accept license -show progress. -accept license means yes or no condition. -show progress means how much percentage is going on. This is show progress. This is the rollback of the installation rollback of the VAS product. Same way in IHS and plugins. Here only changes replace ND with IHS and path will be changed like that. For uninstall purpose also ./imcl uninstall offering ID of the ND and offering ID of the JDK like that. Instead of rollback we have to give uninstall. That's it. And I will uninstall the version instead of rollback we have to give uninstall. It will uninstall the product. So I am in rollback and again I will install the FixPack and I will create the profiles and I create the standalone application server profile and deploy the application without DMGR. Without DMGR also we have to deploy the application in the application servers. By using history info.sh it shows entire history of the product, how many times install, how many times we have to update the version, how many times uninstall, how many times like that. It will show entire history of the profile, history of the product. This is the way to give the rollback of the ND version 9. Yeah, roll it back, CD, check, WebSphere, IBM, WebSphere, app server, bin, /historyinfo.sh. See, roll it back to previous version. See, this is updated 9051 and 80541. Suppose we have to uninstall the product, as well as instead of the rollback we have to give uninstall cd im ibm installation manager eclipse tools, same command /imcl, and instead of rollback I am giving uninstall the product. Okay, and execute /imcl uninstall nd product of the current version and a jdk of the current version hyphen installation directory of the current version and accept license hyphen show progress. This is the way to uninstall the product, and I will reinstall the VAS and FixPack, and I create the profiles using standard alone application server and deploy the application using that server without the DMGR. Every profile have its own console. Before federation it will act as a node. After federation it becomes a node agent. Yeah, uninstalled the product, we have to check /imcl list installed packages -long. See, there is no ND product, only IHS plugins are there. We are going to install VAS ND 9051 and FixPack. For those we are going to check the binaries where we need to install it. CD. Okay, yes, this is that PWD. This is offering ID CD IM IBM installation manager eclipse tools. I am going to install the ND product. IMCL list available packages hyphen repositories. Enter. This is find out offering ID of the command. In this offering ID we have to find out JDK and VAS /imcl. Same command I am using /imcl. Okay, say I am using same command. Instead of uninstall we are using to give install. That's it. Okay, if any issues, okay, I am giving offering ID hyphen repositories, okay, comma Java repository. That is the error. See, package cannot be found means repositories we are missing. This is the repositories. Same repository of VAS 9 ND product and JDK. This is way to install, uninstall, rollback, modify, and okay, already directory is there. We are going to rm space rf star. We have removed the directory. That is the error. Okay, See, I am CL install offering ID of the ND product. See, same thing I run. I am uninstall and I roll back the previous version of the ND and I install by using historyinfo.sh to find out the old version of the offering ID and roll back current, and we have uninstall also. Just by using installation manager we have to think like this. We are going to install. Next, I am going to install the FixPack of the VAS ND90516, and I will create the ND profiles for VAS 9 product, and without DMGR we create the profiles and deploy the application. Wait 5 more minutes. This is way to install the product. Just install it. Siri, OPT, IBM softwares, FixPack. This is VAS FixPack and this is Java FixPack. CD, CD, IM, IBM installation manager Eclipse tools /imcl list available packages -repositories. We are giving these repositories comma s config comma like this. We are giving same command I am running. See, same command, but repository path is different. That's it. Offering ID, we are giving offering ID of the JDK. I am giving JDK offering ID and VAS, just small changes, minor. After that, installation directory is same, even asset license is same, even repository is difference. Like this. This is the FixPack. Wait one more minute. Like this, we have to install the all versions, all VAS version. Don't use RM space RF. every have its own console and deploy the application without dmjar. Before federation, application server have node. After federation, it becomes node agent. Difference between node agent versus node versus unmanager node. In this manager node consists of application server process presence. We have no application server process and manager node using creation of web servers and generic servers. Yes, updated check cd WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server bin /info.sh. By using this, how many times you uninstall the product, how many times you install the product, it's like this. Install, see, uninstall, okay, rollback, install, update, like this. Show entire history. Okay, I am creating the profiles. Only one application server profile. /manage profiles .sh hyphen create hyphen profile name. I am giving application server profile, profile path, WebSphere, IBM WebSphere app server profiles, appsrv01 hyphen template path, WebSphere, IBM WebSphere app server profile templates. Default I am giving hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell01 hyphen node name appsrv underscore node1 hyphen server name. I am giving my own server name, test underscore server hyphen server type application server server hyphen starting port. I am giving my own port number. This is way to create the profiles in the application level. Yeah, we are checking jobs. After that, go to logs. It will create here manage profiles. Yes, manage profiles. We are going to check tail space -5 of application server 1 underscore create dot log. In this log, we have to show clearly profile is create installed or not. In this, we show everything here. In the profile level, we have to show log level is info by default, info error debug, like that it will come. In a IHS level, error log, plugin level, we have to use default error log for plugins. Other classes, we are going to LDAP. LDAP also we will discuss how to create a active directory and how to create LDAP. For this, by using base DN, bind DN, port number, we have to give by default LDAP port number is 389 without secure. With the secure 636 is the LDAP. By using Tivoli or active directories, we are giving. See, in Stockholm success control. One step back, we are checking post install.log tail -5 product is successfully installed log. We have to check here last 5 lines. Profile is product is successfully installed. Otherwise, partially means product not installed successfully. In Stockholm success means successfully installed. We are going to profiles. Map server, I am going to bin. I am going to start the server. I am checking server status -all. What is the server name? I am checking and start the server and deploy the application without DMGR. /start server.sh test server. I am going to start the server and deploy the application in the server without DMGR. Every application server have its own console. Every DMGR and application server have own console. Before federation, after federation, we have to merge two consoles. It make it as a single console. I am stopping my firewall. After that, Wait 5 more minutes, it will starting. It will start the servers. Wait, we will start and we will deploy the application without a DMGR. This is the one of the most important question. How to deploy application without a DMGR. We have deploy application in the application servers without a DMGR. We will say like that. I will show practical how to deploy application without console, without a DMGR console. I will show the evidence. Tomorrow we will discuss federation and cluster setup of the WAS ND product 9 version. Previously we have used WAS 8.5 federation and creation of profiles like that. In this WAS ND9 we are creating the profiles cluster, normal cluster and dynamic cluster. We have to see practicals and application deployment. We have to see in the ND9 version by using what is the difference between normal cluster and dynamic cluster. There is a workload management purpose. We have to use dynamic cluster and automatically weights will be given automatically runtime. It will change automatically weights, cluster member weights. Based on the weights, request flow will be coming to the cluster like this. After that, integration of IHS with the plugins. I have already installed latest version of the IHS and updated the FixPack. This is how to install, update, rollback, uninstall like that. See, I am stopping the firewall. Asking for root password. @admin@123. I am login here. 192.168.190.131.9060/IBM/console. I am opening the console for application server. I am checking what is logs cat about this profile.txt. 19023 is my 19024. I forgot to give my own port number 19024. I am opening the application server console, not DMGR. Every profile have its own console thing, and we have deployed the application under application server. This is application server console, not DMGR. This is application server. I am not create any DMGR. I will show. See, I have no DMGR. I have only application server, standard alone application server. See, 90516. I have only one server, application server. It will be start mode. Without the start server, we cannot launch the console. This is application server console. Go to the application, click new application, click new enterprise application, choose file. I am clicking EAR file and next. After that, fast forward path. After that, I am giving next. Select all. Select. Apply. After that, next. Without DMGR, I am deploying the application. There is no DMGR present. We have deployed application without a DMGR also, like this. I am going to deploy application without a DMGR. After DMGR, this where federation, this console will be disabled and will make it as a single console of all application server. It will show in the DMGR console. See, updating server index.xml. See, save. Server.xml is the main configuration file for WebSphere for IHS HTTP d.conf. See, this is my application. I am starting the application. See, I am starting the application. I am checking what is the port number of my application server. Here, communication ports. By using ports, we have accessing the application through port number and context route 19023 is my application port number. See, 190.168.190.190.19023. Plans. This is my context route. Say, application is accessing without DMGR, and we have deployed the application. Now I am creating the application server. Created. Now I am creating the DMGR dot slash. See. Now I am creating DMGR profile, DMGR means deployment manager. Every profile have its own template. DMGR have management and DMGR templates, and application server by default template. Custom profiles managed. Cell profile cell. I am not giving this time. I am not giving any security. I am not giving empty like this. And any mistake? There is no mistake. Under jobs, logs, manage profiles. See, I am opening DMGR log, tail-5. We have in DMGR have its own console. DMGR also its own console. This is way to create the profiles without a DMGR. I deploy the application. Now I am creating the DMGR profile. I am logging the DMGR. I have own console for a start and stop purpose. Suppose I am stopping the application. Go to application server type. Now I am select application. I am stop the application. I am stopping the application in the application server, not DMGR. It's application server. See, I am selecting the default. Also, I am honest like this. Stop. I am checking its install or not. Creation of profiles. It is progress, under progress. If any application we uninstall, first before stop and then uninstall. Before federation, there is no node agent. After federation, node becomes, it will act as a node agent. Review, save, see, I am not able to like this application is not there. Go to the system administrator. I am checking node agent is there or not. There is no node agent. See, node agent is not there because node agent is not created because before federation there is no node agent. Okay, this is Okay, we are going to apply DMGR profile. After that, we have check DMGR have own console or not. We are also checking that. After start the DMGR, yeah, profile successfully configured. I am going to profiles. Now DMGR profile is created. Now I am going to DMGR bin dot slash start server dot sh DMGR. This command also it works. In a DMGR have two commands dot slash start manager dot sh or start server dot sh space DMGR. This is the specialty of the DMGR. Like this, we have deploy application without DMGR console also by using standalone application servers. Standalone means application server process present on the node, nothing but a manager node. What is the default means? Default is the standalone application server. In the default, it is own server is there, but manager there is no server is there. No manager node, manager nothing but a custom profile empty node without server. This is one of the most interview question asking for. Every profile have its own console. Cell profile have cell console, DMG console. Application server profile have application server console before federation. Like that, it will comes. I am starting the DMGR. DMGR 9060. I am accessing the console. I am not giving any password security. This is the one of most interview question, because without DMGR how to deploy application, most important question in the interviews, experience and freshers, most important question, how to deploy application without a DMGR. We have to deploy application without a DMGR also by using standalone application servers. Every application server have own console before federation. I already discussed it, already shows practically. I will show DMGR console. Yeah, DMGR is started. I am checking logs. logs and the cat. What is the port number of checking? Say 9060 where DMJ security is false. 9060. I am opening the console. See, this is the application server console. I am opening DMGR console 192.168.190.131/IBM/console. This is the DMGR console. Yes, this is the DMGR console I am opening. This is application server console. This is DMGR console. After federation, this console will be disabled. This console will be enabled. After federation, we will see sample. Tomorrow we will clearly shows, but sample we will show. See, here DMGR have no service. Before federation, there is no service in the DMGR. See, no service. And go to the system administration. There is no node agents. See, there is no node agents. Before federation, there is no node agents. Now I am federate the node to the application server node to the DMGR cell. It will show console is disabled. Application server console will be disabled. See, application server console will be disabled. We will say practical sample purpose. I am federating. After that, I am defederate also is happen. Remove and add node also will happen. We will see in this class. After federation, before federation and defederated, both are different. Defederated means we have separate the DMGR console again. It will application server have console available. After remove the node into the DMGR cell. Say server found in the configuration, server name. Stop the all application server profile node agent node and created the node agent configuration already created. Node becomes node agent. App server v underscore node 1. Say now server is not able to access. Check. This is server is down, not able to access. After up, there is no access. Application server. After logout and login, synchronization between node and cell. Synchronization means if any configuration is changes in the DMGR and any other thing, after sync it will changes the application. It will changes effect on the DMGR level. Node agent launching, waiting for initialization status. This is the examples. Without DMGR also deploy. After federation, application server console is disabled and DMGR console is enabled. See, I am checking. Now it's created the node agent. Go to the system administration. Go to the node agents. See, node agent is started. I am stopping the node agent and remove the node in the DMGR console. That is also possible. See, and remove means separate. Okay, I will active. I will start the node agent. /start node.sh. If we active, then only remove the configurations. It shows an error. Start server.log, stop server.log, server.xml is the main configuration file for the WebSphere. Most configuration file is server.xml for WebSphere. Yeah, server is started. I am removing the DMGR console. I am removing the node. See, I am selecting and remove the node in the DM configuration. See, remove node cause node immediately removed from the master configuration. Click OK button, remove following node and click cancel return prior page. I am click OK. Removing the node. When in the organizations, when server is inactive, we here based on the client requirement, we have removed the configuration from the node like this. Based on the requirement like this, we have to remove the nodes. See, it will automatically stop the server. Backend also will remove node.sh space server name and backend. Go to the DMGR, run remove node.sh. See, uninstall by using such basis. Okay, remove node, view available nodes. See, application server node is not there. Okay, I am going to check cd application server bin. I am checking server status -all. Now test server is there. Now again application server is without federation. We have own console is there. Add and remove options are there. I remove the configuration. Now I am start the application and run the application and deploy the application, and the application server already seen. This is bash configuration. and I install. Be careful for creation and remove node and add node. Be careful while doing configuration purpose. Don't do any mistake. Now we are like in the same console. Yes, I'm logging the console. This is application server console. This is DMGR console. Now we are deploy environment, data source. Resources. We created JDBC also for this for application server. Yes, possible. Without a DMGR, we create data source also based on the only one single application server. See, select cell or select cell is not there. Select server and on the I created the data source also. Without DMGR, we create the data source also by using application server console. We are creating the data source of the particular application. This is a mandatory question for interviews. Those who are fresher and experienced, this is mandatory interview question. Without a DMGR console also, we have created data source by using application server profile console. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe channel. Okay, tomorrow we will see federation, how federation is happen and how to this like this. Okay, thank you. I will stop.